Hello my yarny friends, how are you all doing today? It's March and it's time for my giveaway, my yarn giveaway for March, and this is going on a Monday. This is going live on the first Monday of every month from here on in. I've changed things around. So what have I got for you this month, do you think? Right, let's see. We've got Believe in Yourself, which I think we all need to do, guys, don't you think? We all need to believe. You're going to get a 4mm crochet hook, and you're going to get a pen, and if I can find them, oops, you're going to get some stitch markers, and you're going to get some tapestry needles. So that's that. And then you're going to get, today we've got purples, all different shades of purple today. So they're all Stylecraft, and they're all 100 grams, and they're 100% premium acrylic, 295 meters, 322 yards, and it's a 3-weight, and it is anti-pilling. So we have proper purple, we have Emperor, and we have lavender. So they will make a really nice ombre shawl or poncho or whatever your heart desires to make. So you've got 300 grams. And today is, let me just get my calendar so I know. You need to be a subscriber of my channel. You need to be 18 years and over. This is my giveaway. YouTube is nowhere associated. All the rules are in the description box below, guys. What else? This will go on from today, which is the 6th of March, and it closes on the 24th of March, Friday. So you've got at least nearly 3 weeks to enter. And yes, so today's the 6th of March. It goes live on 6th of March. Obviously I'm not recording this on the 6th of March, but this goes live on the 6th of March. And it closes on the 24th. Everything will be in the description box, and the winner will be then announced on the 27th of March. The word that I need you to put in the description, you know, in your comments, is the word purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. So if you can write purple in your comments, and it's been fun reading your comments. And another thing I want to make sure that you understand, I never comment on my giveaways. I just I don't comment on the giveaways. I just put a heart. So if anybody, you know, the scammers are out there, and it looks like a telegraph, ignore them, report them. I have reported them. I think they did it last month on one of my giveaways, and I just reported them, and they totally deleted all the comments. But please remember, guys, I never ever comment on my giveaways. I comment on other videos, but not my giveaways. I just leave a heart. And if you ask a question in the giveaway, then that is the only time I will answer and leave a comment. If you ask me a question, I will answer your question, but I won't kind of leave a comment and say, oh, thank you for entering, or anything like that. I never do that. I just leave a heart. So guys, don't as I say, this goes live on the 6th of March. It closes on the 24th of March, and the winner will be picked over the weekend and be announced on Monday the 27th of March. So I want to wish you all good luck, and don't forget the word purple. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.